Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I just have a quick video today to give you a sneak peek of some of the awesome, incredible, fun, fantastic stamps that are coming in the brand new holiday catalog. Now you should have already received a copy of this if you're a customer of mine, but if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator sending you one and you haven't gotten one yet, let me know because I would love to send you one and be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. This is the front of it. It's beautiful. There's so many fun projects in here, but I don't want to bore you with the catalog. I want to show you some fun samples. I have been stamping away with a lot of the products. I haven't really shared any of them yet, so I wanted to just give you kind of a sneak peek today. These are all projects that you're going to see over the next couple of months on my blog and my Facebook page and right here on YouTube, because I'm going to do lots of videos showing you how quick and easy all of these cards are to make. You know me, nothing I do is difficult. But look at this beautiful designer series paper. There are so many pretty papers. This deer is awesome. I'd tell you the names of the stamp sets, but honestly, I don't think I remember all of them. There's so many. But look at all these cards. I told you, I've been stamping like crazy. The holiday catalog begins on September 5th. So like I said, if you don't have your copy yet and you don't have a demonstrator, please let me know so that I can send you one. But all quick and easy cards. You know me, those of you that have followed me for a while, we don't do anything that's hard, but quick and easy doesn't have to mean boring. You can make some beautiful cards that you can send to your family and friends. So just a couple more here. Like I said, all of these will show up in videos and in posts over the coming months, but I just wanted to be able to give you a sneak peek so that you know I've been stamping like crazy with some of these new products, and I have another big order coming really soon with a whole bunch more of these. So there's a lot of fun stuff to come over the next couple of months, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me every place because I've got a lot to share with you. And as always, if you have questions or I can help you in any way, make sure to let me know. I'm here to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Have a stamp happy day.